Hello, hello, hello. So your pal, One Man, One Camera. Today is August 8th, about 10 minutes to 2 in the afternoon, 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check out the Circa and their progress. Alright, you guys, this baby is looking pretty good, as they say. And right now I'm near the corner of 1st and Ogden, across from California. And the structure does look nice. Check it out, nice clear blue sky today. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a sea. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Yep. There we go. Now there is a sea on this side, and on the other side there's more. So please just stand by. And don't forget, this baby's due to open up. Well, the first five floors are due to open up on October 28th. That will be the restaurants and bars. And in fact, let's do it right now. Cut away to the description and a little chit chat about the 5 bars, which will open up on October 28th, 2020. Take it away, One Man, One Camera at home. Hey guys, from the One Man, One Camera studios, let's talk bars. So there'll be 5 bars located inside the Circa, which will open for the bar area and the restaurant area and the casino October 28th, 2020. First bar up is Vegas Vicky's. It's going to be a lobby cocktail lounge, good for, as they say, Instagramming and people watching, and a casual spot with seasonal drinks. Next up is the Legacy Bar, which will sit at the top of the building, and that's 400 feet high, with fire pits, bottle service, etc., and a spectacular view of the Las Vegas Valley. The Mega Bar, which is going to have a 165 foot long bar top, I guess, with flair bartenders, 40 double stacked TVs for sports watching, and 120 beer taps. Now then there's the Overhang Bar, which was named for the old Tiger Stadium in Detroit, and it looks like it's going to be a VIP member area type of thing, managed by the casino host. And then outside on the Fremont Street experience area, there will be the Circa Bar, which will be the downtown Las Vegas's longest outdoor bar with 24 flavors of frozen cocktails and flair bartenders. All right, you guys, welcome back. After that delicious bar talk, you know, Vegas Vicky's looking pretty good, so I hope to see you guys there in October. Look for me, and you never know. I'm always showing up somewhere, like a bad penny. All right, and Ogden, between 1st and Main, is closed. Okay. Kick the tripod as usual. All right, now, the construction does look pretty good. This design looks actually very, very nice. I like it. And straight away down there is the Fremont Street experience. And this this diagonal thing going up right here, that is the escalator to take folks up to the 5th floor to where the bars start. Well, the first 5 floors are open, so the bars will be within the first 5 floors. Okay. Alright. And it's looking good. Got a lot of the windows are done. Okay, here we go. Now we're on the corner of 1st and Stewart, behind the California Hotel. And check out the Circa. Like I said earlier, got that big old C just dangling there, waiting for the IRCA. Circa, that's correct, okay? Check the spelling. And so, like I said, this is looking pretty good. As far as I've heard, there is nothing in the way of them opening up the first 5 floors on October 28th. So if you're in town or around, hopefully things will be okay. Stop by for a drink and say hello to Vegas Vicky. I'm at the corner of Ogden and Main, checking out the north side of the Circa. As I have said many times before, it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. And just to the right of the hotel, casino, resort, there is Garage Mahal, holding 1,200 cars. No, not 1,200. I forgot the number, you guys. Anyway, less than 1,200 cars, okay? All right. So the design, thank you. The design of the building, check it out. This part looks pretty good. I like that silver or goldish on the corners, how it's rounded, very nice. Nature loves rounded corners, not sharp edges. And that is very true. All right, let's move down south a little bit and see what's going on. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm standing next to Garage Mahal, and here is the air-conditioned connecting bridge which goes to the casino. All right, and here is the design of the casino, our main tower. Okay, back down to the right. Like I said before, I do like this gold trim. I'll call it gold from now on. This gold trim, I think it's pretty nice. And you got the little swirly guys right here, okay? Go down more, and there is the canopy of the Fremont Street Experience. Okay, all right, looks nice and smooth, yeah? It looks nice and smooth. So I moved a bit south of the Circa, and now you can see where the sign is up, which says Circa, C-I-R-C-A. In case those who couldn't spell, that's C-I-R-C-A, Circa Resorts and Casino. It's looking good, you guys, looking real good. So, and there's the, that's it, everything. I think, guys, that's much for today. You know, I'm kind of tired, even though it was not 100 plus degrees. I rode up from my apartment to Allegiant Stadium, down to the Circa, and I'm feeling kind of winded, as they say, pooped out, tired, shelled. Anyway, so that will be about it for today. Like always, safe, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care. Oh, hang on, wait a minute. Let's zoom in. What is that right there? Hang on a second. Okay, now to the left of the sea, they are still doing some building, some constructing. I wonder how long before that gets finished. Huh. All right, let's try that again. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Like always, safe, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Stay safe, and have a great day. Later.